What's up? We back in the lab today, and we're growing mushrooms. In my last video, I took shiitake to these grain jars. Today, I'll be taking these and putting it into the sawdust. First thing I'm gonna do is take these jars and break them up against these tires. Alright, so I got everything broke up really good. Now I'm gonna take what's in here from these grain jars and put it into the sawdust bags. Alright, we're all finished up with the bags. Now I'll let them sit for a couple of days. From here, we'll go on to the supplemented sawdust where we'll actually grow out the mushrooms. Okay, it's been a couple of days and the shiitake have grown out long enough on the sawdust. So today, I'm going to take and I'm going to put them onto the master's mix. inoculate the bags. Next step is the shiitake to take this and turn it completely white. Then it'll go to brown. Then I'll put it into the tent and we'll have our mushrooms.
4 to 6 weeks later.
So as you can see, the bags have grown out a couple days and they're just white all over it. We call this stage popcorning. From here, the bag will go completely brown. Then I'll have my mushrooms.
2,000 years later.
Okay, so as you can see, the block has now turned brown. This means it's time to go ahead and put these in the tent and fruit out the shiitakes. Well, actually, first thing we're going to do is cold shock these blocks. So I'll sit them here in the fridge for 24, 48 hours. After that, it's finally time for the tent. Okay, so now the blocks have been cold shocked, it's time to introduce them to fruiting conditions. So I'm going to put them here into this tent, and over the next few days, we'll start to see our shiitakes popping. Ladies and gentlemen, the time has finally come, and now we have our mushrooms. Now that we've got our mushrooms, it's time for the harvest. And now that the mushrooms have been harvested, it's time to collect some spores for future projects. So the first thing I'm going to start with is spore swabs. So I'm also going to collect spores using the spore printing method. So I'm going to just sit this here on the aluminum foil and wait about a day and come back and check out that spore print. Now I just want to take a second to speak on the whole experience. All in all, I'd say everything went good. I got the shiitakes. I grew the mushrooms I was going for. But I will say I did get some contamination during during the second sawdust phase. And then after that, so that left me down to 2 blocks. And then I also did not realize shiitake doesn't do well on master's mix until I had already put my sawdust spawn into the master's mix. So that's what I'm saying. All in all, great that I got where I wanted to go. Learning experience. Thank everybody for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.